Sharks play an important role in maintaining a stable and healthy marine system. The decimation of shark populations around the world has become a major issue affecting some of the world's most economically valuable environments, such as coral reefs, which have an annual global value of up to $375 billion. Sharks are apex predators, and so they play an essential part in consuming dead and weaker members of other species, as well as maintaining a balance with competitors, all of which are important in preserving species diversity. When areas have a lot of apex predators, such as sharks, then there is usually a higher level of biodiversity compared with areas without any apex predators. If there aren't any apex predators around, then it allows other species to monopolize the food web. Globally, shark species, particularly larger species, are on the decline. There are different contributing reasons for these declines, but mostly they are under threat from overfishing, both targeted commercially and as bycatch. An increase in the demand for shark fins in the Asian market has also increased the pressure on fisheries. Shark meat in general is usually of low value, however, just 1 kilogram of dried shark fin can reach up to prices of 700 Australian dollars. Around the world, marine ecosystems are deteriorating. The decline of shark numbers poses as one of the main contributing factors. So, why should we care so much about our sharks? An increasing number of studies from around the world have detected significant consequences on different marine environments due to the large-scale removal of these apex predators. A good example can be seen in waters that lie off the east coast of America. The large shark populations in the area have been depleted so significantly that the sharks are no longer able to perform their role as apex predators. The immense overfishing of the large predatory sharks has led to an explosion in abundance of rays, skates, and smaller sharks, which are the usual prey of the larger sharks. This in turn has had an enormous flow-on effect throughout the entire ecosystem. The rays that flourished in the decline of the top predators feed on bivalves such as scallops. The increased population size removed most of these organisms from the area, resulting in the complete collapse of the North Carolina scallop fisheries. The removal of the apex predators in this area also has the potential to do further damage to the surrounding habitat through shifts in species abundance. In their search for food, the hungry rays destroy the important seagrass plantations in the area. They are also adding further trauma to an already stressed coastal environment as they feed on the bivalves, which act as a filtration system in the ocean. In order to observe the true value of an intact marine ecosystem with a high level of biodiversity, we need to look at an environment that has had minimal human interference. The uninhabited northwestern Hawaiian Islands make a good case study when compared with surrounding populated areas. In recent surveys, researchers found more fish surrounding the uninhabited islands with a drastically higher biodiversity than that of the surrounding islands. Surprisingly, apex predators accounted for over 50% of the fish biomass, compared with less than 10% in the nearby populated areas, supporting the hypothesis that apex predators play an important role in the diversity of marine ecosystems. For such a powerful and important predator, sharks have been so effortlessly devastated by even the slightest of anthropogenic influences. The decimation of shark populations globally has the ability to affect the ecosystems in which they live. Therefore, protecting these predators is necessary in restoring the health of our oceans.